Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth flow of traffic in Gurgaon Sector 23, Delhi. With the rapid development and increasing population in this area, it has become essential to have professionals who can analyze the traffic patterns and suggest improvements for better efficiency. The presence of traffic surveyors helps in identifying congestion points, analyzing traffic volumes, and proposing solutions to alleviate the traffic-related issues. The SCON design is an important element that determines how vehicles and pedestrians navigate through the area. By studying the existing road layout and analyzing the traffic patterns, traffic surveyors can identify areas where the SCON design can be improved to enhance safety and efficiency. This could include implementing proper signage, road markings, and traffic control devices to guide drivers and pedestrians. The goal is to create a well-designed traffic system that minimizes accidents, reduces congestion, and provides a smooth flow of traffic. Gurgaon Sector 23 is a bustling area with various commercial establishments, residential complexes, and educational institutions. Due to its central location and connectivity to other parts of Delhi, it witnesses heavy traffic throughout the day. Traffic surveyors in this area are responsible for monitoring and analyzing the traffic conditions, identifying bottlenecks, and suggesting measures to improve the overall traffic management. They collect data on traffic volume, speed, and congestion levels using various tools such as video cameras, radar systems, and manual counts. This data is then analyzed to identify trends and patterns that can help in making informed decisions about traffic management strategies. They also play a crucial role in coordinating with local authorities, transportation departments, and urban planners to implement their recommendations. A vital part in ensuring the efficient flow of traffic in Gurgaon Sector 23, Delhi, are traffic surveyors. It has become crucial to have professionals who can assess traffic patterns and recommend solutions for greater efficiency, given the area's rapid expansion and growing population. Traffic surveyors are helpful in locating areas of congestion, estimating traffic numbers, and suggesting methods to resolve traffic-related problems. An essential component that affects how automobiles and pedestrians move through the region is the SCON design. Traffic surveyors can pinpoint locations where the SCON design can be changed to increase safety and efficiency by reviewing the current road layout and examining the traffic patterns. To direct automobiles and pedestrians, this can entail putting in place the appropriate signage, road markings, and traffic control measures. The objective is to build a traffic system that lowers accidents, relieves congestion, and allows for a steady flow of traffic. Gurgaon Sector 23 is a busy neighborhood with a wide range of businesses, housing developments, and educational facilities. Due to its accessibility to various areas of Delhi and central location, it experiences significant traffic all day long. In this region, traffic surveyors are in charge of keeping an eye on and evaluating the flow of traffic, spotting bottlenecks, and making recommendations for ways to improve